looking to profit from the stock market, you're going to have to master these two emotions if you plan on being successful in this industry. I'm Jason Brown, stock market coach at thebrownreport.com, and we're going to break down the two emotions that you must master. If not, it can make or break your success in this industry. I hear it all the time. I want to make money in the stock market. I want to profit, but I'm scared. What if I make the wrong decision? What if I lose all my money? Hey, I get it. No one wants to see their hard-earned money go up in flames.
I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
You've just encountered the first emotion, fear. Fear can paralyze you in the stock market. It can keep you from making a trade that meets all your investment criteria because you can't get over the fear of making the wrong decision or losing money.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
But if you really knew what fear is just false evidence appearing real. Let me say that again. Fear is just false evidence appearing real, and you can gain power over it. Let me share with you two ways that you can do this. Here are some steps to overcoming fear. Use a two-step process to determine an acceptable loss. Decide on a level where if the stock falls below support, that you're wrong about the direction of the trade and get out. You can also set a maximum loss per trade that you are willing to part with. If the stock moves against you, you have to be okay with this certain amount of loss. Having a strategic game plan and the knowledge to execute at this level is critical. Now let's talk about emotion number 2, greed. Oh yeah, you know what I'm talking about. That moment when your stock hits that $1,000 profit mark and you know you should get out, but you start thinking about all the rap videos you've seen and you start thinking, if the trade can go a little higher, maybe I can live life like this guy.
Go buy your mama a house. Go buy your whole family houses. Put this money in your savings account. Go spend some money for no reason. Come back and ask for more.
Greed emotion can be the most dangerous. Here's why. You actually made money, but instead of following your game plan, you decided to pivot for more gains, and you usually end up losing it all. It shows a lack of discipline, a lack of respect for the stock market, a lack of ability to follow a well thought out plan. And now, instead of investing, you're gambling. You're looking at this like it's a Las Vegas crap table and the house usually wins. Here are a few steps that if followed correctly, it can help you overcome the greed emotion. Step number 1, set predetermined sell orders based on the chart to determine where you think the stock can go and set an order to sell at that level. A future sell order can protect you from letting your emotion get in the way by automatically forcing you to stay on your planned path. Step number 2, get an accountability partner. Pick someone who is not emotionally or financially tied to the stock trade. This is important because if the other person is emotional or has something to gain or lose financially, then the decision-making power can be flawed. Now, have you ever made a decision based on those two emotions, fear and greed, inside the stock market or anywhere else in life? What was the outcome? What did you learn from it? I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, and if you like this video and it helped you, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with someone that you can inspire today. I'm Jason Brown, and I'll see you on the next video. Hey, I get it. No one wants to see their hard-earned money.
Yeah.
Hey, I get it. No one wants to see their hard-earned money.
Yeah.
Is this even working?